Hello, class. My name is Alex Navarro, and I will be talking about the value of consistency, not only in the word, but the three values that I personally add to consistency when speaking about my life or in any other life that wants to succeed or wants to achieve more. Because I think consistency does mean a lot when talking about how bad do you want it or how bad do you want to achieve that goal. So consistency is doing something to the best of your ability every day to benefit your life. We all have voices in our head that tells us to slow down, that it's getting too hard, that you don't want to do this anymore. Well, when you hear that voice, consistency is the best thing you could think about when you're having that voice in your head tell you to slow down or not achieve your goal. Because with consistency, it's about how many days can you do the same thing every day without getting bored, without getting complacent. It's really a matter of mind. So you have to be strong enough in your mind to be motivated to do it every day to the best of your ability. You need to be determined. You need to have a well pace in your head that contributes to the success of your consistency, because a well-minded being is a well-minded soul. So consistency is in my life a lot. I see it in football, I see it in school, I see it in everyday life. It's just a matter of how bad does a person want it. So when I see it in football, I see a lot of guys give up as the weeks go by. They get complacent. They don't want to achieve more than what their body can take because their body's telling them no. But you need to see the big picture of things. And if you see the big picture in things and see the goals that you're headed to, then consistency can play effect. So basically, consistency is conformity in the application of something, typically that which is necessary for the sake of logic, accuracy, or fairness. So all in all, it's the act of fairness, the act of giving yourself to something bigger than yourself that you want to achieve. It's the act of doing something not only for you but for others. So first, I will discuss 100% effort when it comes to consistency, because I feel like in consistency, it is not doing it every day. It is doing it every day to the best of your ability. Even when you want to give in, even when you feel sorry for yourself. But at the end of the day, consistency doesn't give you the leeway to be assured of yourself, because this world is very cutthroat. That is the one thing that football taught me. Football taught me that this world is cutthroat. So people need to give consistency their best effort so they have the best chance of succeeding, because you're not going to get the results you want every time. You need to keep going at it, practicing it. Next, I will talk about integrity, which is a big word for me when it comes to consistency, because it's really that hardness in your mind that gives you the strength when you don't want to go. It is doing it when nobody's watching. It's that person in your mind that's telling you to do it every day, even when nobody's watching. You need to be that person to strive for more. Having a goal is the best thing for consistency, because you can do it. You could be who you want to be. And in faith, I have a faith in a higher being, which gives me strength. and I have a faith in myself. So believing in that faith is something that I agree with solely in my heart, which gives me the power to be humble and the goal to accomplish anything. Letting go of any doubt is a part of faith, because without faith, we are nothing. And I'd like to add a quote by Arnold Schwarzenegger because he was a big inspiration of mine. He says, "The body loves routine. Try to eat, sleep, and so on at the same time every day in order for the body to function at its optimal efficiency. The body loves consistency." What Arnold's trying to say is that if you do it every day, you will see results. If you do it to the best of your ability, you will see results. If you love what you're doing, then you will see results. It's really a love for what you are doing that makes you strive for more. So, as far as consistency goes, keep striving, keep being motivated, and keep being determined.